Castelia City. Because I'm going to show you guys a tutorial here on how to quickly earn some money. Do I have an amulet coin on me? I don't think I do. I'm just seeing what I have on me, period. Alright, just a lot of neat stuff. Oh, I do have an amulet coin, cool. Alright, so we're going to do this in real time. This is going to be a tutorial on how to use the amulet coin to earn more money quickly as well. So you can see I'm selecting on the amulet coin. It lasts for 1 hour, 1.50x money gain. We'll go ahead and use it. The timer starts. And because we're in Castelia City, what I always end up doing is biking over to this place here. Because there are people to battle. This is the official battle tower. That's what I would call it. So you go to floor 47 first. And as you can see, these white speech bubbles with the black dots means we can battle these trainers consistently. We'll go ahead, a battle company tower, whatever. Same thing, battle tower is what I would think we usually call it. So you battle these trainers who you can see most of their Pokemon at this point are at level 39 here for me. And I don't even really need Golduck out here, but I'm just going to use Golduck anyways. I used Psybeam just to see if it would 1KO that Herdier, and it didn't, so that's okay. But we'll return the favor with Icy Wind ourselves. Like I said, Surf is just such an easy move to spam. Like if you're just going for just quick level up, quick battles over, quick XP, you just obviously use the AoE attack that's going to do the most damage quickly. Now, this Panpar, I forgot, it's going to be an issue. And actually what I end up usually doing for these trainer battles is using a flying type, because more often than not, these trainers don't have Pokemon that have moves that can hit flying types. You have the occasional Pokemon that maybe has Thunder or something, but usually not. As you can see, this EXP is minimal, but this is amulet coin chasing. But that's kind of also the cool thing, I suppose, about this tutorial is that this is two birds with one stone. You're leveling up your Pokemon, as I'm doing with the experience braces I essentially have on Charizard and Typhlosion. That's one. And then number two, we are earning more money, 1.5x, because of the amulet coin that's currently running. So you can do this in an hour, get your Pokemon leveled up quicker and multiple Pokemon leveled up while earning double the money. This is essentially what I do when I'm trying to grind and, increase my profits so I can maybe buy more Pokemon in the marketplace or maybe acquire certain moves. So I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to move Unpheasant to the front. Unpheasant's really good for me and doesn't actually have what I need equipped for the flying attack moves. I'll remember it. Can I do that now? I don't think so, no. Or can I do it? 1 second. No, I just want to make sure. No problem. We'll watch this. We're gonna fly because Unpheasant is usually gonna get the first move because of the speed, and that's intentionally why I use Unpheasant the way I use Unpheasant. You see, one fly attack at level 53, not even maxed out. Goodbye. Works for me usually unless the Pokemon has a type advantage against flying type moves. See, Simisage gonna suffer the same fate at level 41 here. Fly, it's gonna be super effective as well. So I would recommend just using a Pokemon that's probably not going to take damage from a move like this, whether it's Dig, Fly, Surf, a Fire move, a Thunder related attack, and I don't even have to use Fly. I could use Air Slash. Oh, well, I could have used Air Slash, but avoided it. Like, imagine that the first time. That's annoying. But down goes Gritter, and that could have been quicker, but that's usually the speed I'll go. See the EXP and our money. We started this journey at 11k. We are currently at 1600, so we'll do another battle here, and after we get off floor 47, which is the floor we're currently on battling these trainers, I'll let you guys know and show you how much money we've achieved. I should say achieved here. Now, if you're seeing this as a YouTube short, see, this is a case where having on Pheasant's not going to work, which is kind of annoying. So I'm going to go do a switch to Typhlosion. But we started at 11k. We're currently at 16,000 power gem. Right, super effective, but get this, so is my move. Melting that metal, bro, that's just straight torching flamethrower. Goodbye, Clang, thank goodness. So Typhlosion was still the good play. Almost maxed out at level 56. Gigalith. A sandstorm kicked up. Great. Now Typhlosion is kind of rendered useless, so here's where we switch to Golduck. And we get that type advantage going back in our favor with this water type. Rock Blast is not going to do that much damage. Nice hit. Golduck is tough. We'll surf it up, and that'll be it for Gigalith here. And keep in mind, most of these Pokemon are like the first generation that I've acquired. I haven't done that much breeding yet, so Golduck just continually getting affected by the sandstorm. I wouldn't want an electric type out here for Golduck. I'm gonna swap Typhlosion back in. Well, not an electric type, but you know what I mean. It is, but that shouldn't be super effective on her anyway. So it was electric enough to warrant me making the switch. Inferno, will this work? That move is so awesome, man. Just absolutely incinerates anything. So it only has 5 in the PP right now, but I want to max that out to 15 or 20 if I can. Oh, look who's back, obviously. Inferno, do the same thing. That thing should be absolutely roasted, right? Yeah. Just that quickly, see how Typhlosion can make good use of that. So Typhlosion is maxed out, so I don't even have to keep the experience brace on. So this is what I'll do. I'll come to my party. The XP share, I mean, we'll take that off and we'll put it on. We'll put it on Mienfoo, actually, because Mienfoo's a Pokemon that I would like to max out here pretty quickly. So I'm wasting time. So sorry, but not really in a rush. Yeah. So what we're looking for is the experience share, which I think is. I know I'm looking at this. Okay, give to Mienfoo, who's at level 49. Alright, we have 2 more trainers to battle. We're currently at 19,300 Pokeyen, so we've earned about 8k in I guess 10 minutes so far. And I'm doing this a little bit slower, so. See, this is a time where Typhlosion should be out, but I'm not going to bother making the switch. I'll just Air Slash. That move is not 100% accurate, though. I always have to take that risk using it. And if you are a new beginner to this game and you acquire Unpheasant or a Pokemon, a flying type like this with that attack, just be mindful. It doesn't always connect. I'm not taking a chance against these Herdiers because every time I battle against them, they're really annoying. They hit me really hard. Just seems to happen that way. Yeah, like I said, it survived and it hits me with Thunderbolt. Imagine that. I'm gonna quick attack this thing out of here. Alright, cool. Like I said, I just said it before that thing just decided to electrify my Unpheasant. That's absolutely cruel. But I did just send an Inferno Rage against that electric, and then whatever the other trash. I always forget that Pokemon's name, but man, that's one thing I have to do. I have to get my Pokemon vocabulary back up. I have to remember some of these that I have not just seen or thought about in months. And some of them I'm still learning for the first time again, so it's just kind of all that going on. Could have used Air Slash there. I don't know why I did. It's just kind of using Fly as habit. Super effective. It'll get the job done. Goodbye, Whimsicott. And as you can see there, moving up pretty quickly. So we've earned 10k Pokemon in about officially 10 minutes. It's only been 10 minutes according to the timer. So yeah, 10k in 10 minutes, not bad, right? So because I think to purchase an amulet coin in the market, it's like 35,000, which is usually what I do this for. But sometimes it's just to have enough money so I can acquire some Pokemon that drop in the market at a really good price. And that's the thing, like people are always dropping gems of really decent Pokemon in the market. You just have to look for them at the right times. That's what I've learned. So, and Pheasant gets that done pretty easily. Then you have the Basculin here. And again, I keep it simple. Because if you're really going for meta, if you're going for plays and strategy, you would be doing something entirely different, right? This is all for quickness, simplicity, and maximum profit once you get in the flow state. It's just going to be Basculin after Basculin. Watch, I'll do Air Slash and this one will survive. Yep, what I tell you. That Ice Beam is going to hurt. Jeez Louise, that's what I meant. But I'll take those risks knowing that. That's why I usually call it out before it happens. That way anyone's like, oh, why would you do that? It's like, I'm telling you I'm going to do it. Is there a point to it? Not really. Like I said, sometimes just complete boredom in the midst of these AI battles against these NPCs. Not taking a chance against you either, as cute as you are, Meryl. Not taking a chance. Just going to go ahead and just send you swooping away. Unpheasant gets the job done. So 13,000 earned in about 11 or 12 minutes here. And the great thing about doing this in real time is that you can always pause, because this is Pokemon MMO. It's not like a thing where the timer overlaps when you're offline. So watch this. I'm going back to the Pokemon Center to heal my Pokemon. And I am going to take a quick break in reality. So when I log out here and exit out of PokeMMO, when I come back, you see the timer in the upper left. It'll still say 48 minutes. So that's the cool thing about it. So hope you guys have enjoyed. If you found this helpful, leave a like. Make sure to subscribe for more Pokemon content. I have no idea what I'm going to do on this channel. I'll be figuring that out over a couple of months, but I'll be playing PokeMMO and maybe doing some random discussion and topic videos as well. So let's your comments on that out. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.